The Cricut Mug Press is a really simple and effective tool to help you easily make pristine, custom-made mugs. To begin making a mug, cut out your design using your Cricut machine and Cricut Infusible ink. Don't forget to mirror your design before cutting. After the design has been cut, remove the unwanted pieces of the design, leaving it on the clear, sticky backing. Place the design on your mug and secure it with heat-safe tape if needed. Connect the mug press to your computer and a power source and allow the machine to warm up. Once the machine has warmed up, insert your mug and lower the lever to begin the transfer. The dots on the machine will progressively light up, letting you know how close your mug is to being finished. When the machine beeps, the transfer is complete. Lift the lever and remove the mug, being careful to only touch the handle of the mug, as the rest of it will be burning hot. Place the mug on a heat-safe surface and allow to cool. Once the mug has cooled completely, remove the infusible ink sheet and reveal your design.